Yeah, yeah. You already know.
Yeah.
You already know.
Niggas know.
You already know.
You should. By now.
You already know.
Fucking gangsters, nigga.
You already know. You already know. You already know. I love the trouble, motherfucker. I'm the drawn provoker. Face shots, leave your face off like John Travolta. We smoke scum and we joke, but don't get it confused, cause we still pack juice. Get it, any one of you dudes. You think it's funny, dummy? Money getting left on the news. Found bruised, gotta eat his little food through a tube, dude. You will get filled with dumb shells, cause we pack heat. But you already know, like 112, so no need to explain. I'd rather call your dame, tell her come on by. Why? To let us run the train. Beating it and skeet on it while she giving me brain. Then we send her back to you. Fuck it, call it a day. I be ballin' where I stay. On the paper chase for real. You got cake to take. Then I blaze your face for a deal. Raid your place for the bills. Man, I'm all about my Benjamins. Send any nigga you want. Guaranteed I injure him, nigga.
You already stay in the hood. You already stay with that good. You already stay with that wood. You already know. You should. You already stay in the hood. You already stay with that good. You already stay with that wood. You already know.
Tired of you talking about guns you won't squeeze and shit that you ain't see. From being in the streets since 9-3, I acquired a lot of game. You dying from shot at aim with bullets out this gun that's so older than got a name. I call it an antique. It's holding a lot of shells from your head to your damn feet. The lead in the can leak, blood will soak up your shirt, then your jeans and your damn sneaks. Bet I smoke up the perp, be a jerk with this damn heat. Bitch, I don't care who you get, and I don't care if you a gangster, cause you gon' die trying to prove the shit. 12 gauge, you move a bitch into a pine box. 9 shots from 9 Glock, maneuver quick.
You already stay in the hood. You already stay with that good. You already stay with that wood. You already know. You should. You already stay in the hood. You already know with that good. You already stay with that wood. You already know. You should already know that I get my dough and I flip that drove, get high and my eyes get low. Bust Glocks, Tech 9s and 4s. I'll cock, lock and unload. So try to ride on me. No hits, you could die for free. No shit, already know I'm hot. Already know that you not. If I don't blow, I'll go pop. Not music, stupid, I'm talking tools, kid. Raise up my finger to cops. Blaze up that green on the block. Trey 8 in jeans on the block. And niggas will squeeze it, you not. You already stay in the hood. You already stay with that good. You already stay with that wood. You already know. You should. You already stay in the hood. You already stay with that good. You already stay with that wood. You already know.